I'm going to show you today how to use the sidekick tool that we have now in the clinic. So this is a muscle scraping tool that is helping with muscle recovery and pain relief. So what you're going to do, this is the Echo. This is my own. I use it all the time. So what you're going to do, you're going to lube the area that you're going to massage on. So I'm done my day today, so I'm going to use it on my forearms because they're sore. So you're going to spray or use massage oil or anything you have at home, and you're going to use it and scrape the area that is sore or this is a little sore in pain. So you're going to use it at medium pressure until you see some redness. And you just go back and forth on the belly of the muscle. And as you can see, there's already some red coming on to the surface, which is what indicates that it needed to be worked on. And you keep going like that until, for about a few minutes, not much longer than that.